Hello and welcome to my channel Sacred Things. Today we are gonna review Baki manga chapter. The manga chapter starts with the appearance of Yanagi in the prison. Dozens of people were almost killed instantly. With how many opponents and prisoners he is done in, he can't hope to avoid the death penalty. Never mind how many screaming men have suffered at his strength. I wonder what kind of martial arts he uses. No, it's not that. It's like gas. Gas? I heard that he uses poisonous gas or has something else hidden to do it. How can he? Well, I can't really think how he does it, but moreover, he's such a short built, middle aged man. He's a suspicious fellow, can't be even 160 centimeters tall. It's very doubtful. I think we are okay having him behind the glass barrier. You know, this barrier can rebound even the rocket cannon we got from the defense agency, that deadly snake Yanagi Ryuko. Then Yanagi stops writing and places the brush and looks toward the officer and greeted with them saying, "Hey you guys," and stands up, and the prison officer shouts, "Don't move." Let me ask you one thing. Do you know what the most poisonous gas in the world is? I said, don't move. Halt! Everyone places their revolver against him. And Yanagi laughs. Ha ha ha. Just what do you intend to do pointing your gun at this specially made glass? The officers are baffled. For me, there really is no difference between this and the glass of a window. For example, here, even if this glass can make a rocket rebound off it, there is but one place that makes a hollow vacuum. Take your hand off the glass. And he places the hand on the glass. As strange as it may seem, stop Yanagi. It's quite like window glass. Hollow. Crash. He destroys the glass. See? Yanagi says. And he destroys the glass completely. You can shoot me now, if you can. And the officers are getting angry. If you would safely unfasten your weapon. Then Yanagi quickly kills the prison officer and knocked them out. And Yanagi continues. Oh, about the deadliest poison gas? This is it. Oxygen is the deadliest gas. Red alert! Red alert! There was a letter in which something was written. Everyone on their position. Yanagi has escaped. And there was something written on it to note defeat. That's where the manga chapter comes to an end. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell. Please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon. And if you like the video, press the like button. Thank you.